Hey everyone, today I'm reviewing the Mochi Phone, a retro-style flip phone with modern touches that the website says is all about helping you unplug, unwind, and romanticize real life again. So what does the website tell us? The Mochi Phone is marketed as a childhood dream phone, meaning it visually echoes a fun flip phone aesthetic but is presented as functional. They list a sale price of 11,500 pesos, reduced from 6,700 pesos, and show color choices, black and red. The site emphasizes the idea of simplifying life, less screen time, more real life. They don't go deep into detailed specs on the homepage. It's more about the vibe. Nostalgic flip form, cute styling, your childhood dream phone. The Mochi Phone offers a fun, nostalgic flip phone design at an attractive price and a lifestyle pitch of less distraction and more life. But because the website focuses more on style than hardcore specs, make sure you check the details before buying. So that's my review about Mochi Phone. Thanks for watching.